I am Neha. I have done my MBA HR from Tiptur Institute of Technologies. Currently, I am working as an HR in Schneider Electric.
I pursued my MBA in Finance Specialization 2011 and 12 batch. Now I joined my family business in Chennai.
I got placed in an MNC called Apollo Tires Middle East. Not only me, many of our friends got placed. So welcome to KIT.
It's been highly privileged to talk about institute because the institution is not only given education, but also given as an equal opportunity in participating in inter-college fest seminar, arranging a seminar, paper presentation, and so many things adding on it.
My name is Vishnu. I'm from Dubai. Here I'd like to share my experience that I had with Tiptur Institute of Technology. I completed my MBA in 2014. The facilities and faculties were superb. They were very supportive.
Words for less to explain the quality of educations they provide. The curriculum is taken very seriously and explained it in highly qualified lecturers and faculties.
The faculty was so good and so friendly and excellent that they have always resolved our issue, and whatever suggestions that we asked for, they are always there for us. And to talk about our ambience of the college, it was really excellent. Library and ambience, classrooms really excellent. I was really proud to be a part of MBA KIT department.
What I am today is because of Tiptur Institute of Technology, and I had made a lot of memories while studying over there.